What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and the kind people over at Benks were kind enough to send me out a case for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So we're just going to get this unboxed and install it on the phone. And I'm going to tell you what I think. This tape off of here. So this here is just a back housing for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. This does not have a front to it. It says designed by Benks. It does look good. I believe this is that Kevlar in the middle there. You get a nice hinge. You get a nice covering for hinge protection. And the inside you do get a strip with adhesive, so you can just peel this off like so. Just like that. And then you just place your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 in like so. And this is just for your back housing, just to protect back of the device, not the front. I wish it had a front screen protector to a front screen to it, but it does not. A lot of people like the minimal look and feel. They want to just make sure the back is protected and the hinge is protected, and throw a screen protector on and they are good to go. This is what it looks like in the back. Get a nice cutout for those cameras, no problem. But this is what it looks like overall. Not bad at all. This is what your hinge looks like for hinge protection. This is what it looks like in the front. And I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. Hope you found this video helpful. I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.